IE's version 2.0 optional crackle file for the VW MK7 and Audi 8V MQB platforms has been completely reconfigured with the enthusiast in mind. Taking inspiration from the iconic Audi RS cars, we have done away with the fake and manufacturer sounding pops and left you with an exciting and more naturally occurring exhaust crackle. Although the crackle files are completely optional, when loaded, you still have full control of when you want to use it or to keep it civilized when you don't. First, crackles will only work when you're in sport mode or sport manual mode. On 2019 and a half, MK7 and a half, or 8V and a half vehicles, you also need to put the vehicle MMI into race mode. Crackles will now engage when you let off the throttle or downshift above 3,000 RPM. The crackles will last for approximately 3 seconds. Once initiated, if you want to do them again on demand, simply let off and blip the throttle, again, above 3,000 RPM. In a position you don't want crackles, just keep it below 3,000 RPM or drop it into drive to initiate sleeper mode. Crackle files are included on all VW MK7 and Audi 8V 2.8T and 1.8T engines for stage 2 and higher tunes for all octanes, including True Flex ethanol. Make your car sound like a true performance build and enjoy your drive like never before with our addicting, aggressive, yet controlled MQB Crackle feature.